guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is another Valentine DIY with our Cricut. I'm going to be using the printable vinyl again from Silhouette, and I'm going to put it on a little cake plate that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot. So I think it will be so cute. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my canvas, and what you want to do if you want to go to make a new project, you go to the circle with the plus right here where it says New Project, or you go to the top right corner where it says New Project right here in green. It doesn't matter which one you click, and click that. That will put you onto your canvas, okay? Now, you can either go to Images, left-hand corner right here, then go to the right top corner and type in the search box, Valentines. And a bunch of Valentine's images will come up, or you can go to Cartridges and type in Valentines. And you can see just all these little cute Valentine's images come up here as well, whatever you're looking for. But since I have downloaded an image from designbundles.net, and I will put that link in the description box below, I'm just going to go to upload. But if you're wanting to be able to do it, you just go to upload image, browse, and then you just find your image in here. Now I have a Mac computer, so you know it would be probably a little different on a regular one. And then you find it, and then you just click on it and it'll upload it, okay? And I have plenty of videos showing how to do that. So I'm going to cancel out of that. So what I'm going to do is just go to upload, and then I'm going to view all of my images, and these are some of the images that I got from them, and I love them. And I want to put this one right here with the teddy bear and everything on it. So I'm going to click on that image. It will put a green box around the image. Then I'm going to the right bottom corner, insert images, and it will put it on my canvas. Now it's going to come in way too big. And you'll see right here, let me zoom in. You're going to see right here on the right side of the screen in the layers column panel right here, this little triangle, and that's telling me that this image is too big for Design Space to cut it. So when you get it down far enough, that little warning sign goes away. So I'm going to go up here to the lock and unlock it because I want to make it as large as I can. So Design Space will print something 6.75 wide by 9.25 in height, and then I'm going to lock it back, and that will keep my image. Now let me see if that's exactly the size that I want. It's a little too tall. I'm going to have to take it, I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to take it down to, I think, like 8.0 and lock it back. Okay, and that will work. Okay, now if you also look over here in the layers panel, this is a cut then print. Okay, and that's what we want. So we're going to make it. You just go to right top corner, make it. My Cricut is set to custom, and right here we're not going to mirror anything because we're going to just use this like a sticker basically, but we're using the vinyl again, and it's the Silhouette vinyl. You can use it. Then you just hit continue right bottom corner. Then we're going to send it to the printer, and you don't want to put your mirror on. You want to leave it just like it is. I'm going to leave the bleed on, and you can make as many copies of this as you want. Now I have the HP OfficeJet 5740 printer, okay, and I'm going to hit print. I've loaded my paper in upside down so that it will print on the less shiny side, and so it's going to print that out. My internet's just a little slow today. Okay, now, right here is the next thing we're going to do is our material. Now, if you'll remember, when we did the other day the little box for Valentine's, I picked washi tape. So I already have it starred as a favorite, but I'll show you again. If you don't have it already, hit Browse All Materials. In this right top search box, just type in washi, hit enter, and you want the washi tape. And I made this a favorite by starring it, clicking on that star, and then it inserted there. So I'm going to click on that. It'll put a little check mark and then done at the bottom. Okay, and the next time you see me, we will cut out this sticker to make this little cake plate adorable. Okay, here is the little cake plate that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot. It's white. I didn't see any pink ones. I was hoping for a pink one. I'm sure they had them, but they were probably out. It was $5, and I'm going to dress this up. So later on, I'm going to be doing a DIY with it, okay? So I have my standard grip mat, and this is what we just printed out. I think that is so sweet, okay? And it's on the not shiny side, all right? So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right like this on my standard grip mat, and I'm going to insert it right here and then use the blinking arrows to insert it actually into the Cricut to load it, and then the blinking C to cut. And it's reading the black registration marks, and then it will cut this out like a sticker that you would see. Well, a little bit different than the ones that I made the other day because they just peel off like the sheets that you see of stickers. But this will literally cut around each piece, and then I'll have to peel it up off of this printable vinyl. And you don't peel the printable vinyl away from it, you pull it from the printable vinyl. So it's going to start cutting. It will take it a little while because it does have a lot of images to cut around. But this is very, very simple thing to do. And a beginner definitely could do this. I have videos showing how to upload images on my Learn the Air Explorer 2 with me on my Cricut in my playlist. So just go through there if you have any questions. You can use what Cricut already has. They have tons of beautiful Valentine images that you can use. So as soon as this gets through cutting this out, I'll be back. Okay, it's finished cutting. Now I'm going to hit the blinking arrow to eject it. I'm going to peel this off of my mat. And then we will start getting this pulled loose. Now I'm just going to kind of do this. I mean, it kind of is really a lot like what I did the other day. I don't think it's just as intricate as these flowers that I did. So maybe I can just take my time and just pull this up. But you definitely want to take your time, because you don't want to break anything off. And you could do this and put it on a shirt even. I just love this designbundle.net. Some of their images are free and some you have to pay. Some are very inexpensive. When I get them, I get the one that's just like $1 or $2, and you get tons of images. They do have some that are more expensive, but like every day or so, you just have to go there and search and see what they have for free, and then download it if that's what you want, and then you have all these beautiful free images. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, though. I'm not making commission or anything. I just really like them. Okay, so here is this. This is our image that we have peeled out. Is that not festive and adorable. Okay, now I want to put this, I'm going to stand up because I want to get this on here really nice. Okay. Okay, let me cut this off and I'll show you what this looks like. But if you would see this out, you would pay a lot of money for this. And it's so festive, you could do this for any holiday or just find a cake stand that you like and put something on it. Now, naturally, I'm not going to be putting food on that. That's where my glass plate from the Dollar Tree is going to come in. I'm going to be doing a DIY and I'm going to be setting this on top of here so you can still see through. I just love this. It's a very economical, easy way to upscale anything that you find that you want to make. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.